students, welcome once again in DSS YouTube online classes. Students, this is Chaman Singh and we are going to read our next topic, that is taxes. Students, in this topic we will know the reading portion of the topic and try to know the difficult word meanings. Okay? So listen very carefully. Let's start the topic. As the rulers of the Mahajanpada were A. Building huge forts, B. Maintaining big armies, they needed more resources and they needed officials to collect these. The meaning of officials is a person who has a position of authority. So instead of depending on occasional gifts brought by people, as in the case of the Raja of the Janpadas, they started collecting regular taxes. Now the meaning of depending is depend on others or to be controlled by others. Taxes on crops were the most important. This was because most people were farmers. Usually the tax was fixed at 1/6 of what was produced. This was known as bhag or a share. There were taxes on crafts persons as well. This could have been in the form of labor. For example, a weaver or a smith may have had to work for a day every month for the king. Now, the meaning of weaver is a person whose job is weaving clothes or something. Herders were also expected to pay taxes in the form of animals and animals produce. Now, the meaning of expected is to think or believe that somebody or something will come or that something will happen. There were also taxes on goods that were bought and sold through trade, and hunters and gatherers also had to provide forest produce to the Raja. What do you think would have been provided by hunters and gatherers? Now the next topic is changes in agriculture. There were two major changes in agriculture around this time. One was the growing use of iron plowshares. The meaning of plowshare, the main cutting blade of a plow which is used to turn soil. This meant that heavy clay soil could be turned over better than with a wooden plowshare, so that more grain could be produced. Second, people began transplanting. Now, the meaning of transplanting is to uproot or move a growing plant and plant somewhere else. This meant that instead of scattering, the meaning of scattering is to drop or throw things in different directions over a wide area. Seed on the ground from which plants would sprout, saplings. The meaning of sprout is a new part that has grown on a plant. Sapling, the meaning of sapling is a young tree or plant were grown and then planted in the fields. This led to increased production as many more plants survived. However, it was bag making work. Generally, slave men and women, dasa and dasis, and landless agricultural laborers, kamkaraj, had to do this work. Now, the meaning of generally is usually. Can you think why kings would encourage these changes? Now, the meaning of encourage is to give hope, support, or confidence to somebody. So, student, these are the topics. I hope you have listened very carefully and also learn difficult word meanings. So, it is enough for today. You will read the topic again and learn the given difficult word meanings. And if you have still any problem, you can call or message on my WhatsApp number. So till stay safe, stay happy, good luck.